Welcome to another video. I think I'm going to make a little series called Random Powder Coating Adventures, and it's just going to be basically powder coating. And I also noticed the other day that 90% of the people that watch the videos aren't subscribed. So if you could give us a subscribe, that'd be great, and a like. It gives me a bit of motivation to make the videos and to go forward with them, really, because obviously I don't get no money or nothing out of these. It's just for my entertainment and yours. So yeah, if you do like them, give us a like, that'd be much appreciated. Today, some motorbike parts of some kind of Triumph, I'm not sure. I'll try and find out what it is and put a picture on the screen now. So these three black bits are going gloss black, and these body panels are going just getting shot blasted and stripped because they got some rust on the corners. And they need a few little bits done to them for the body shop to do. Right, the plan is next. I've got to weld a little tab on here, which I said I'd do it for him. So we'll go take it down there. It's just a little tab, really. They're not fully blasted yet. I just got the most of it off because obviously I'm going to weld this and I'll give it a final blast before coating after. So you can see it's definitely not that bad, really. I mean, it is many years old, I guess, with a chunk taken out. But I think he just wants it temporary done, and I think he might redo it in a few years when he restores it properly. It's not like a full-on restoration, but so yeah. Let's go over there then. So yeah, that little bracket's sorted now. So it's going to go back in the shop blast to get blasted properly, same as the other little bits, and then it's basically going to be ready for powder. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. About 20 minutes. Basically it takes 10 minutes to cure at 180, so I'm guessing they'll probably take 10 minutes to get up to temperature because they're quite thin. Yeah, so we'll see what they look like when they come out.
A few moments later.
Time's up. Alright, let's go have a look. I don't know how much you can tell on the video, but there's a bit of pitting on the inside, but they are pretty old and they were pretty rusty. So yeah, that's them done. I've also blasted the wheel arch and the two rear wing things. I don't know what they're called in the back of a motorbike. Bearings, I suppose. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, that'd be awesome. I've got some nice BBS wheels to do next. These are going gold and silver. So yeah, I'll see you later.